Hello everybody, I would like to show you a small program that creates the page object model files for Selenium Automated Tests in an automated way. Just briefly, what is Selenium? Selenium is a tool that makes it possible to automate the website operations such as loading a website, clicking some buttons, writing into an edit box, or choosing an element from a scroll box. That is Selenium. And what is page object model? Page object model is an object-oriented design pattern, and it stores the locators for the website. And finally, what is a locator? Locator, it makes the connection between a web element, for example, edit box, scroll box, button, and the source code. So there is the source code and web element, and between them there are the locators. Let's see an example. This is the well-known Facebook website in Hungarian because I'm Hungarian. Let's see how to get the locators. I go over the element, this one, email address or phone number. I press the right mouse button, inspect, code inspector opens. This is a plugin. I press the right mouse button again, copy XPath. For simplicity, I copy to a notepad file. This is the locator for the email. Let's copy the locator for the password. Inspect again, right click in the code inspector, copy XPath, and put it here. So this is the locator for the password, and it is similar for the login button as well. These are the locators, part of the page object model file. Of course, the locators are not valid files, of course, but a page object model file, that is a valid source file, for example, Java, Python, C# or other program language source file. Let's have an example on the website. This is a valid Java file, the page object model file. You can see the structure. There is the package name as at every Java file, and there are imports, the class name in the this time public class login page, and then the locators here. I highlight the locators here. These three are the locators. There are 3 on the website, and I have got 2. Have a look on the structure of these locators, and you can see that they are similar in a way, not exactly the same, but both of them work. On the website it works for the username, password, and the login button, and in my code it will I will get the same or the similar values for the email and password. The difference between my small file and the file on the website is that my 2 lines should be extended with the relevant Java lines that I mentioned: package name, imports, public class, etc., opening curly brackets, closing curly brackets, etc., and then my file will be a valid page object model file. What I would like to show you, how I create in a very quick way a file similar to the one on the web page. I start my program. I will press the mouse button 4 times. The first one does not matter. Only the second, third, and fourth button press matters. And with the second, third, and fourth mouse button press, I will save the locators to a newly created page object model file, and I will also create the getters for these locators and will create a valid page object model file around the locators. I start it right now. The first button press does not matter. I just accept something. Does not matter. Listen. 1, 2, 3. I quit from the program. That was all. Here is the newly created page object model file. Have a look on the structure. This was generated automatically. Here are the 3 locators for the email address. The first one is for the email address. The second one is for the password field, and this one is for the login button. This was generated automatically, and these getter routines were generated automatically as well. So as a summary, what I wanted to show you, how to create page object model files in a quick way, just pressing the left button without pressing the right button. Open the code inspector, pressing the right button again, copy the locator, copy to the source file, and then create a valid Java file, and using my code, or of course actually at first extending it, then using it it makes it possible to generate page object model files very quickly that can enhance and quicken the Selenium automated tests. That was all. Thank you for your interest. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer you. Thank you. Goodbye.